welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I had a very interesting week, you can say a very interesting month, and I've been shooting. I was in Goa, as you all know, and everything, and I'm very excited for you all to see the projects. So everyone knows that this week is very important for all of us because it's Christmas and New Year. So every year, as you all know, I celebrate Christmas with my close friends. So this year also I have like a house gathering with them during Christmas. So I thought, why not give my hair a little treatment at home and take care of my hair. So today I'm gonna share with you my hair care routine that I am going to do today for Christmas and New Year, which is coming. So let's get started. So guys, as you all know that I've been using Wow products for quite a long time now, and I've always shared with you guys at what range I'm using, be skin or hair, and every time I've tried a new range, I've always felt so good, and Wow products have always surprised me. So today I'm also gonna use Wow products, but a new range. So let me just show it to you. The onion range that I've got from Wow Skin Science, and I've received the hair mask, the onion black seed hair oil, the shampoo and hair conditioner. So I've read on the internet that onion is very good for your hair, and right now I'm gonna use this onion black seed hair oil. I'm very excited to use this because it says non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil for silkier and stronger hair. So let's give this a try, and first we're gonna apply the oil and then proceed with the entire process. So today I'm gonna be using this oil, and my favorite part about this is that it comes with this pump, and you can easily get the oil out. I'm just gonna take 3 pumps for now because I usually apply it on my scalp. 94% nourishes hair and scalp. 93% reduces hair fall. 92% enhances texture and gloss of hair. 96% improvement in blood circulation to the roots. 94% balance scalp condition. 89% repairs hair damage. 92% quick absorption. So I'm gonna apply it to my hair and show it to you. As you can see, the texture is very light, non-greasy, non-sticky, and so many of my friends, every time I ask them that, they always ask me what you do for your hair, and I'm like, you should oil your hair, and then they're like, no oil, it feels very sticky, it feels very greasy. Wow Skin Science, usually has oil which is very lightweight and it doesn't feel like you're applying a product. So I'm gonna apply it to my ends, very important. Take a few more pumps and apply it to my hair. So a lot of you guys must have seen my new nails. So I just got them done recently and you guys really liked it. So personal opinion on extensions, like a lot of you were like, oh okay, how do you work with your extensions, and how do you do your normal routine stuff with your extensions. So this is the second time I'm having extensions. First time I got it when I passed 10th standard and I was very happy, and I had like a school camp or something, so I applied my extensions and I was so awkward. I was like, how do I button up stuff or anything. So the first time experience was a little awkward, but this time I think this is my second time, and also I had long nails in real, so I've gotten used to it. So now it's pretty easy. I don't even realize I have extensions. So as you can see, my hair is oiled. I'm gonna keep it for about 15 minutes and then wash it with Wow Skin Science, the onion range shampoo. I am very excited to use this because it says help strengthen, soften and restore shine, which I really need right now. and all the products are, you know, natural, and they're all made in India, so I'm very proud of that, and I really love Wow Skin Science products. So guys, I just washed my hair, as you can see, and my hair feels really amazing because of the shampoo. As you can see, it contains red onion and black seed oil, which is also Kalonji, and it has all natural ingredients. There's no paraben, sulfate or anything, so everything's very safe for your hair. And I really love it because there's no color, there's nothing, everything's very organic and very natural. So this range also has a hair conditioner, which I'm not going to use today because I'm gonna be using this hair mask, as you know. So before I use the hair mask and tell you about the hair mask, I'm just gonna brief you a little about the conditioner. The conditioner is also very good. It has red onion seed and also black seed. Also, this strengthens your hair and, you know, reduces hair fall. It has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, so maximum benefit from this conditioner. But today I'm gonna be using the hair mask, so let's go on with it. So now I'm gonna use the hair mask from Wow Skin Science. I've used earlier hair masks from Wow, and they've always worked really good for me. But this is the onion range, and I'm very excited to use this. So I'm just gonna, it's very easy. Just remove, this is the texture. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna use a brush because I have nails. So I'm gonna take little amount of this and I'm gonna apply it. So I'm gonna start from my roots. Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Mask is very beneficial because it adds deep hydration to your hair. It is infused with red onion extract and black seed oil. It helps to form a protective barrier on hair. It contains no paraben, mineral oil, color or silicone and helps to deliver maximum benefit. And it's suitable for all hair types. It helps your hair transform from weak and lifeless to strong and lustrous. So I've applied it in my hair, and I'm just gonna wait for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. So guys, as you can see, I washed the hair mask and my hair feels very smooth, and I think my hair feels very strengthened, and I really like the hair mask. I just had to wash it off and my hair feels super clean. And as you can see, I'm just going to go blow dry it so you can see the results. So guys, you can see the results. My hair feels so good. I mean, the volume, and it's so smooth, and there are no tangles in my hair, and it was so easy to just brush my hair, and I just feel very good. It just feels like I've come from a salon. So I love the Wow Skin Science Onion range personally, and I would definitely recommend this because these products are made in India, so you don't have to worry about anything. So all the Wow Skin Science products have a QR code, and you can scan this with any scanner and you can check the authenticity of the product. And you can get points for every scan. You can redeem this on your purchase. Also guys, Wow products have an app. It's called Buy Wow Products, and the link will be in the description. It's very easy to navigate the app. There's special in-app offers and you can just check that out. So guys, I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.